how to create a dotted line or path in Illustrator. Now, first thing to do, just like the opposite design there. Now, first thing to do, just go and select a circle, and I'm going to set the fill to nothing, and stroke to black, and then stroke width to about 20 points, that sort of thing. Now, once you've done that, you can just go over to the strokes panel and find that in the view menu, and then just so you can see the strokes there, 20 points, and set the cap to round cap, set that, and then go to the dashed line. So once you've done that, just set the value, say something like 0.2, 1 point, etc. And set the other one to say like 40, so 40 point. Now, once you've actually done that, you can of course modify it as well. You don't have to stack with that. You can change it to say other values, say 60 points or 20 point, and it will vary. Obviously 10 point actually crunches in at a point. So also you can go up and down. So you can actually just press the up down key. So you can just go say 20, 21, 22, 23, and you can actually see the dotted line or dotted circle in this case increase. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Thank you very much.